US Physics Olympiad, year 2012, USAPHO, Semifinal exam. This exam consists from 6 problems. First day there are 4 problems, which is part A, and next day there are 2 problems, which is part B. For each day there are 60 minutes for all problems. Solutions for all problems you can find below this video in the description reference. Problem A1. A newly discovered subatomic particle, the S meson, has a mass m. When at rest, it lives for exactly tau equal 3 by 10 power negative 7 seconds before decaying into 2 identical particles called p mesons that each have a mass of alpha m. Part A. In a reference frame where the S meson is at rest, determine first the kinetic energy, second the momentum, and third the velocity of each p meson particle in terms of m, alpha, the speed of light c, and any numerical constants. Part B. In a reference frame where the S meson travels 9 meters between creation and decay, determine first the velocity and second kinetic energy of the S meson. Write the answer in terms of m, the speed of light c, and any numerical constants. Solution. For this reaction we can use energy conservation. It means that total rest energy for S meson turning to energies of 2 p mesons. And because we have momentum conservation, it means that kinetic energy for both p mesons are equal to each other, because momentums are in opposite directions. And we have this equation: rest energy equal to 2k plus alpha mc square, where k is kinetic energy for p meson and alpha mc square, that's rest energy for p meson. From here we can find what is kinetic energy for each p meson. That will be this expression. That's an answer for part 1. Second, the momentum. For each particle we have equation. In our case, each p meson has energy 1/2 mc square. It means that for p meson we have this equation. From this equation we can find that momentum equal this expression: mc multiplied by square root from 1/4 minus alpha square. For particle of mass m, we have momentum p equal gamma mv and energy equal gamma mc square. And we can divide momentum by energy and find what is the speed. The answer for speed, v, equal finally c multiplied by square root from 1 minus 4 alpha square. That was the answer for third part. Question B. In a frame of reference where S meson travels 9 meters, we have a distance d equal speed multiplied by time, and time equal gamma multiplied by tau, which is time in frame of reference of S meson. So it means that gamma, that's a time delay factor. And we just need to solve this equation to V. So we have this equation from this equation, and after all we have V square equal this expression. Now let's put numbers. After putting numbers, we have V square equal 1/2 C square. It means that V equals C over square root from 2. And finally, kinetic energy for S meson equal gamma minus 1 m c square, which is square root from 2 minus 1 mc square. That's the answer for final question.